There's a fish. Sheep's head. Oh, it's friggin' foul hooked. I got right under its fin. Look at that. Cool little fish. On the voodoo shrimp. So if you just saw that last catch, that was last week on a day where I only caught one fish. That was my only bite and my only catch. It happens, and I'm out here to make sure that doesn't happen again. I'm gonna fish the flats when the tide gets higher, fish the mangroves. Hopefully a slam happens, and hopefully a video happens. Stay tuned. There we go. Trout. Very windy day. Skunk broke. Go. Nice size, like 15 inches. Very, very slimy. Okay. There's some hope for today. First catching this mirror lure mullet. Is this a fish? Yeah. Yeah, dude. I'm on a good trout. Trout on the voodoo. Trout and some grass on the voodoo. A little bigger than the last trout. I think trout are slimier than catfish. Oh, maybe not, but they're pretty slimy. About the same size as the last one. Got something here. I got some bait. I keep forgetting what this thing's called. It's bleeding, so I'm not gonna put it in the kayak. Okay. Let's see if we can. I got something. Ooh, that's big. That's big. Yeah. It took off.
I can tell by the pole that you had a good one.
That's a snook. That's a good sized snook. I gotta play it safe though. This rod's really cheap. And if I loosen the drag, it like fully goes out. But it's going in the channel. That's weird. It usually goes towards the mangroves. Yeah, see, that's too much drag. Yeah, see? Stay there, stay there. Gotcha. All right. Let's get this day going. It's like a 27. Awesome. Biggest snook I've caught in a while. Oh, and my spectators left. They were asking me if I caught anything, and as soon as they asked me, the snook ate my shrimp, and they're gone. So dang. I'd be like, did you catch anything? Yeah. Look at this. Oh, neat. Cool. Really got this day going with that. And I better retie this because I could probably pull it right off. Actually, no, that's pretty good. I think I got 25, 30 pound leader on this one. Dude, what? I was just looking at my phone and my bait was adrift in the channel and I got on a trout. That never happened. That has never happened. Do nothing, win. Very, very cool. Nearly swallowed the thing. All right. Very low effort catch. Hanging out there in the channel. Little mini trout. Ooh. That's a trout. That's a strong trout. I think it's gonna come off. Yep. It's all right. What's up with this bird? What the heck? I think it's got like a fish in its mouth. Is it choking? Dude, what? What the f— shit, oh shit. Oh, what can I do? It's got a catfish in the... Oh no. Ah, there's a barb right there. Oh, oh my God. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm trying. Okay. Got that one. Okay. I got one more. I'm sorry. I'm trying. It's in there. What do I do? There. Breathe, breathe. I got it out. Come on, wake up. Wake up, buddy. Wake up. Hey, come here. Oh my God. Yeah, that catfish messed it up, dude. I don't see anything. Come on, buddy. I don't know what to do. That's tough. It's just... that's nature, you know? It's hungry, it sees a fish, it goes after it. Unfortunately, it happened to be a catfish, and the barbs, all three of them got stuck in its throat, and the bird couldn't swallow it. I got the barbs out. I did what I could, humanely, and now it's just gotta hopefully recover from that. I don't know what else to do. It's in the mangroves now. Well, I tried to help. It feels bad, but that's life, that's nature. You know, the bird took a risk catching a fish, and it was just the wrong type of fish, and it paid for it. That's why you don't handle catfish with your hands. Always try to dehook them, because they got those barbs. If you go against, you know, if you go against their body, if you go against their fins, not with it, those barbs can poke you, send you to the hospital. And this is one of the barbs that I broke off, and you see it's serrated, so that bird couldn't get that catfish out if it tried. I had to break them off. Yeah, you do not want a catfish putting this in you. Never caught goggles before. Bad spot. I'm in a real bad spot. Alright, man, good spot now. It's so good. It's so pretty good. Nice. I think this is the first snook I've caught on this colored jerkbait. Jerk shad, I mean. Look at that. Pretty snook. Whoa, what? 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 What is this? Feels like a trout. I think it was a trout. There we go. Oh, crap. Yeah, there's some snook up in here. I had to get out of that wind. The wind shifted and ruined my plans of working this huge mangrove shoreline behind me, but I cast under this one and scored. Good snook. gonna measure it just to see if it's the same 27-inch I might have caught this morning. That looks good in there. Huh. Huh. There we go. No. That's exactly 25 inches. Okay. There it goes. There we go. Oh, dang, that was good too. So that's probably gonna be it for me. I was gonna fish a little bit longer today, but the wind was blowing me away from the structures I wanted to fish at, so it's time to call it a day. And now I'm just waiting for someone to get done loading their kayak up, pulling their kayak up out of the water, rinsing off at the station, and then loading it. And it looks like it's going to be a while, so I'm just sitting here reflecting on everything that happened. Sad about that bird. There's nothing I could have done to help that bird, I'm sure, but I tried, you know. It's a bummer, but it would have happened if I hadn't found it anyways. So but it's good to try to help if you can, with any animal that needs help. I know there's a bird sanctuary a few miles that way, but yeah, I don't think they're just gonna come out with a bird boat ambulance and just save a bird on a Sunday that choked on a catfish, one that was like near death anyways. I don't think that's how they operate. Anyways, yeah, that's it. Had a pretty productive day. Caught snook and trout, and until the wind got too much. I mean, it doesn't seem bad, but it's pretty bad to fish against it. So anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.